We go to a lot of machine shops, but I have to say this one is really, really impressive. Unicut Precision in Welland Garden City, and massive fans of Citizen machinery, the Citizen machines and the Miano machines. Now we're going to look at Citizen machines, but how many Citizen Mianos do you have?
28.
Right, and just to clarify, we had to check that because you're making acquisitions of these machines all the time. You bought 4 in the last sort of 4 or 5 months?
Yeah, 4 L12s since Christmas, yeah.
Okay, so obviously great fans of that. But taking a quick step back and covering off, we normally cover it last, in terms of service and support from Citizen, how's that?
Second to none. Yeah, I mean, it's, in this industry you obviously get problems that happen. They're on the other end of the phone straight away. We get engineers out same day sometimes. Next day they're very, very good, yeah.
Excellent. But I'm assuming you don't get many problems with machines anyway?
No, certainly not the newer ones anyway, no, no.
Okay, so now you bought 4 L12s in the last 4 or 5 months?
Yeah, since Christmas, yeah.
Okay, so why have you gone the L12? And I noticed it's got LFE.
Yes, it's more down to customer requirement. Got a big order from a company. We make millions and millions of parts. I mean, it's a very small part, therefore a more compact machine was more suitable for that.
So the parts themselves don't actually look that complicated?
No, they're relatively simple. I mean, there's a couple of tight tolerances still, but they're relatively simple.
Okay, so in terms of cycle time?
Yeah, well, the cycle time on this part is 5.8 seconds, but that's only since getting the L12s in. Previously, they were produced in another cost centre, and the cycle time was just over 8 seconds. So when you're producing at such high volume, it's a big difference having
yeah, millions and millions of parts. That's a massive saving.
Yeah. When they're running round the clock 24/7, it's a massive difference for us.
Okay, so in this system, just to clarify, then, you know, you're not using the machine for the precision and things like that, and complex parts, should I say? It's more the speed and accuracy.
It's speed and accuracy, yeah. I mean, they are precision parts, but it's due to the volume and the machine being so compact, it allows us to run round the clock and be confident that knowing as long as the preparation's done on a Friday, we know that all through the weekend the machines are running.
So again, it comes down to, you know, good preparation in advance, get that right, and you know, with confidence, they'll be running the whole weekend.
Good preparation, planned maintenance, keeping the machines ticking over, the good tooling as well, getting the correct tooling in the machine, and yeah, it gives us good confidence in the parts that we're producing.
Okay, now in terms of just looking at the controls as well, because you FANUC Mitsubishi?
Mitsubishi controls.
Okay, simple to use, fast to use?
Yeah, I've not used them myself, but all the engineers, all the feedback I get is very, very positive.
Now Scott, we haven't really discussed the LFE. I know you're not using it on this component, but how does that assist you with other components?
No, but we have used it previously, and especially with plastic, it gives us great swath control, allows us to run lights out, so it allows us to run through the night and at weekends much better than before.
Okay, what about the finish on the plastic though? Is that been affected?
Yeah, no, not at all. No, okay. There's no issue at all.
And I suppose one of the, you know, we mentioned cycle times on this part, has it affected cycle times?
It does slightly, yeah, but that's due to it's not a chip breaker. It's the way it's kind of designed, so yeah, it does slightly affect cycle time, but if you compare that over the production that you get out of the machine and output of the machine, then it kind of wins.
Yeah. Benefits definitely outweigh that.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah. Now, so what I'd say then is you're utilising your Citizen Miano machine to full extent in terms of doing real precision, difficult parts. These are relatively straightforward, but you're using it, I've got to summarise in terms of small footprint, fast, accurate, reliable. Is there anything else you think you could add to that?
No, it's more about the fact the machine's compact. The machine's compact, the rapid speed is what allows us to have that reduction in cycle time compared to before. So yeah, we've got a much higher output now because of the compact machine.
And I suppose the fact you've got 28 says itself, 28 machines.
Yeah, brilliant machines, but also it's down to the service that we receive. Service and support that we receive from Citizens, kind of impeccable. So yeah, couldn't ask for much more.
Brilliant, thank you very much, Scott.